Di. Paka-parking ya? Ah, thank you. Ah, vlog.
Di ako mag-vlog kuya. Sige ka mag-vlog.
Hey everyone, good morning. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here to my channel, hi, I'm Christian Leasin. I make lifestyle beauty videos here on YouTube. And right now, as you can see, I still have my, like, a bruise from my... Ouch. Okay, bye-bye. Bruise from my wisdom tooth removal, which you already saw. And right now we are here at Emporium to just check it out. I'm with Laris right now. Say hi, Lar. Oh my god, girl. Girl, balik. You're freaking highlight. Tutok there. Highlight. Okay, that's not all. That's highlight. Okay, let's go inside Emporium now. So it is located at Virama. It is where you can find online. It is where you can find online shops. So let's try to check it out. So their store hours is from Monday to Saturday, Monday to Sunday, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. So let's try to go inside. Wow, that's nice. Let's go. I like this one. All you have to do is take a minute, just take the time. Oh, I want contact lenses. Serious. How much? Oh, 250. I'm gonna get one.
Oh,
guys, they have... No. Gusto ko white. I'm gonna get this one maybe.
They red eh, parang.
Remember kasi manayo kami sa una sa Espa atong mag fire earth day magpala-rent si Elsid sang contact lenses tag 100. So di ko balik lang. Di ang mga ni-rent ako, si Apple, si Alia, ang mga kwarta sa pantaya. Mga gaga. Ako red ato ako na kay fire mo ko. Lagi-lagi, wait lang.
Kaya sa imo kapaspasado. Ha?
Here.
Samok ni mo. Maapil si ate. Maapil si ate day.
Pang summary siya.
Truth.
And also, I like this pattern. It's so crisp. It's so simple.
Yes. What is that?
It is a fidget
Spinner.
Okay lang yan after you see. Okay ha? Mag-white sneakers. Dito si Saityo ako na itong gibasyon.
Day goals ka.
Or this one, palagot sa kontra. Palagot sa guard. Okay ha?
Samok.
Dami akong top. Okay, suicidal ba ako? Dami joker. Kaya di ba sa nag-white shoes?
Diba siya makalimutan? Wala mo giuli ang bag pa sa mo shoulders.
Ikaw daw? Bangan kami aviators. Hello day, ang ngayon day. Pa. Oh, Aura. Day kami. From Wear Vintage. This one's cute, guys. From Wear Vintage. It's $699. $750. 50% off on all items. Wow, look cute din eh. How much?
400 na.
Huh? 2?
400.
So I bought Doll Grey Eyes contact lens, KGM lip tint, KGM lip and cheek tint in the shade Pink Puff, and some
Potol lang. Kasi kay Bao.
Cutie.
na-shock na siya ngang may limpyo. Ay, abisan niya. Go weird. Hi everyone, we are right now at APM because we're gonna look for Chidelin's Cosmetics. Larry's told me to have that there is a promo which is 250 pesos but it's broken, but at least you still get the pigmentation and the product itself, so it really doesn't really matter. Hi Lar, you're so fresh now. We bought shumai, some master shumai, and this one's Japanese shumai, and also Larry's is having Japanese shumai.